In the historic Tennessee Valley between Temple and Belton is Miller Springs Nature Center, a 260-acre scenic area that is open to the public for hiking and biking daily at no charge. Miller Springs Nature Center was created when the Leon River was dammed in 1954, creating Lake Belton on the other side. From December 1991 to March 1992, there was 22 inches of rainfall, causing water to flow over the spillway. The flooding exposed new canyons and geological formations, resulting in the cities of Temple and Belton taking over the care of this area. There are two entrances to the park, the first being the Nature Center entrance. Here you can find a kiosk with a map, a bathroom, and picnic benches. The first trail is located close to the parking lot and is called the North Trail Loop. This path is a little over half a mile long and is considered easy. The North Trail will give you access to the West Access Trail. The beginning of this trail will take you towards views of New Canyon. There are a few points you can stop at to get views of New Canyon, created by floods that occurred here. This mural is located along Armadillo Trail, accessible from the West Access Trail. The mural was created by local artists to showcase the history of this community. The Armadillo Trail is a loop that is a little less than half a mile long and gives you a view of the Tennessee Valley, named after the settlers who arrived from Tennessee. Continuing on West Access, you will find Green Pond Trail. This short loop will take you to Green Pond. A connector trail will take you to Long Pond, a good place to stop, rest, and take in the view. From Long Pond, you can take a connector trail to Prairie Loop, which is approximately a mile long. Another trail at Miller Springs that people enjoy taking is the Old Forest Trail. This trail is almost a mile long and will take you to the south entrance, Miller Springs Park. In case you don't want to take Old Forest Trail, you can drive to Miller Springs Park, located to the south of Miller Springs Nature Center. Here at the bottom of the dam, you can fish, kayak, and picnic. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time, keep trekking.